At ETR, we provide the most comprehensive furnace tune-up in the industry. Here's our leading technician Marcus to show you just some of the few high points that we do when we perform a heating tune-up.
What we're doing now is inspecting our heat exchanger for cracks and rust buildup with our C-snake, which allows us to see the entire inside of the heat exchanger. Okay. After we've properly inspected our heat exchanger, what we'll be checking is our amp draw on our fan motor to ensure that we're passing the proper airflow through our heat exchanger. And we'll also be checking the amp draw on our draft inducer motor, which is the one of the first steps that allows the heating process to take place. And we'll also be checking for flue gas leaks, carbon monoxide leaks, ensuring that everything's properly secured. Checking our safeties on all of our equipment here, our pressure switch, and our rollout safeties, along with our flame sensor. And we're also checking that our combustion gases are actually not lingering in our closet. And if this were a high efficiency furnace, we would also be clearing the drain, because on high efficiency drains they also accumulate condensation and the drains have to be cleared. We'll move on. Supply side of them.